In the grand tapestry of the universe, our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving. Theories come and go, each attempting to unravel the mysteries of existence. Among these, the ekpyrotic universe theory stands out as a radical new perspective on the origins of our universe. This mind-bending concept has sparked intense debate and curiosity among scientists, and for good reason. In this article, we'll delve into the heart of the ekpyrotic universe theory, exploring its core principles, implications, and the profound questions it raises about the nature of reality. A collision of brains, the ekpyrotic hypothesis. Imagine two membranes or brines floating in a higher dimensional space. These brines are the fundamental building blocks of the ekpyrotic universe theory proposed by physicists Paul Steinhardt and Neil Turok. According to this hypothesis, our universe is the result of a collision between these two brines, which occurs in a realm beyond our familiar four dimensions of space and time. This collision is thought to have triggered the Big Bang, marking the beginning of our universe as we know it. The pre-Big Bang era, a realm of unification. The ekpyrotic universe theory posits that the universe existed in a state of unification before the Big Bang, where the laws of physics were different from what we observe today. This pre-Big Bang era is thought to have been characterized by a realm of gravity and electromagnetism, where the fundamental forces were unified. The collision between the two brines is believed to have disrupted this state of unification, giving rise to the universe we see today with its distinct forces and physical laws. Implications and predictions, a new paradigm. The ekpyrotic universe theory has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the cosmos. If correct, it would suggest that the universe is not a singular event, but rather a result of a collision between two previously separate entities. This idea challenges the traditional Big Bang model, which posits a single primordial event marking the beginning of time. The ekpyrotic universe theory also predicts the existence of a pre-Big Bang era, which could be accessible to observation through advanced cosmological experiments. The search for evidence, a new frontier. While the ekpyrotic universe theory is still a speculative idea, scientists are actively exploring ways to test its predictions. Researchers are using advanced computational simulations to model the collision between the two brines, searching for signs of the predicted Big Bang era. The detection of gravitational waves, cosmic microwave background radiation, and large-scale structure of the universe are all potential avenues for testing the ekpyrotic universe theory. Conclusion: a radical new perspective. The ekpyrotic universe theory is a radical new perspective on the origins of our cosmos, challenging our understanding of the universe and its evolution. While still a speculative idea, it has sparked intense debate and curiosity among scientists, inspiring new areas of research and exploration. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the universe, the ekpyrotic universe theory serves as a reminder that our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving and that the truth is often more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined.